Welcome to our YouTube channel, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of frugal living. If you're looking to save money, live more simply, and make the most out of every dollar, you've come to the right place. Subscribe now and start your journey towards financial freedom and a more meaningful, minimalist lifestyle. Excessive consumerism manifests when we lose sight of our actual needs and begin acquiring goods beyond those needs. The ease of obtaining credit allows us to purchase items well beyond our financial means, leading to a cycle of debt. Advertising plays a significant role in reshaping our desires, presenting material possessions as necessities rather than luxuries. The advent of the internet has brought material goods to our fingertips, making impulse purchases all too easy and normalizing a culture of overconsumption that appears both natural and inevitable. Although we strive toward minimalism, we acknowledge that consumption is an unavoidable aspect of life. However, our aim is to sidestep the traps of excessive consumerism, which we define as acquiring more than what is essential for a fulfilling life. Embracing a lifestyle that consciously steps away from excessive consumerism can profoundly transform your life, opening up avenues for personal growth, environmental stewardship, and financial stability. Here are 10 inspiring reasons to consider this transformative journey. 1. Financial freedom. Imagine a life where you are no longer chained to your debts, where every paycheck doesn't disappear as soon as it arrives. Reducing consumerism allows you to break free from the relentless cycle of spending, enabling you to save more and pay off debts faster. This financial liberation brings a sense of security and peace that money can't buy. 2. Reduced stress. Our possessions, surprisingly, own us as much as we own them. Each item carries a burden of maintenance, of storage, of eventual disposal. By minimizing what you own, you cut down on the stress associated with managing a multitude of belongings. This simpler lifestyle paves the way for a clearer mind and a more relaxed living environment. 3. More time for what matters. Time is our most precious resource. By spending less time shopping and tending to belongings, you reclaim time that can be invested in experiences that enrich your life. Whether it's pursuing a passion, learning a new skill, or spending time with loved ones, you gain the opportunity to live more fully in the moments that truly matter. 4. Environmental responsibility. Our planet bears the brunt of our consumption. Every item we buy has a carbon footprint, from production to disposal. By choosing to consume less, you contribute directly to reducing your ecological impact, helping preserve the world's natural resources and supporting a more sustainable future. 5. Deeper appreciation for possessions. When you choose quality over quantity, the items you do own become more significant. This mindful approach to consumption encourages a deeper appreciation for the belongings you have, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. 6. Richer relationships. Without the constant distraction of acquiring and managing possessions, you open up more space for meaningful interactions. Relationships thrive when they are prioritized over material goods, leading to deeper connections and a more supportive community around you. 7. Sharper decision-making. With fewer distractions and less noise from the consumer culture, you can focus more on making decisions that align with your long-term goals and values. This enhanced clarity leads to better choices in life, not just in shopping. 8. Authentic contentment. Escaping the perpetual desire for more can lead to true contentment. When you stop comparing your life to others and measuring success by material accumulation, you discover the joy in simplicity. This shift can dramatically increase your overall happiness and satisfaction with life. 9. Ethical consumption. By purchasing less, you can choose to invest in products that are ethically produced and environmentally friendly. This conscious consumerism supports businesses that prioritize sustainability and fair labor practices, fostering a market that values ethics over exploitation. 10. Personal and spiritual growth. Stepping away from excessive consumerism allows you to ponder deeper questions about life's purpose and your personal aspirations. It opens up space for spiritual exploration and personal development, helping you grow into the person you truly want to be. This rampant consumerism promises happiness, but fails to deliver, fostering a persistent desire for more, a desire that is endlessly stoked by societal pressures and media influences. It distracts us from our true passions, diverting time and resources toward the pursuit of things that ultimately do not satisfy. The continual acquisition of goods leads to cluttered homes and overfilled lives, where the maintenance and care of possessions can become a draining obligation, consuming time and energy that could be better spent elsewhere. By embracing these principles, we not only enhance our own lives, but also set a positive example for our children and community, illustrating that a fulfilling life doesn't depend on endless consumption. The decision to step back from consumerism allows us to reclaim our passions and rediscover the joys that material goods cannot provide. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community, and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.